It's 2024, and as an online coach and membership site owner, my business lives or dies on an effective sales page and funnel. With thousands of people visiting on the regular, this powerhouse platform has processed over 25,000 transactions for me and brought in over $80,000 from low-cost memberships alone. I use it every day on this laptop. Say hello to Thrivecart. Thrivecart is an all-in-one shopping cart service with a few bells and whistles that made it the perfect pairing to launch my new business. Today, I'm going to tell you about my journey with Thrivecart and help you work out if you're like me, ready to launch a new business, and find out if it's the perfect system for you or if you need to keep looking. So first, let's go back in time. Yeah, you probably remember what happened in 2020, but on top of the isolation and potential end of the world, we had a new kid. I went from a relatively successful service-based photography business to really having no business at all. As I took time enjoying this new life and adjusting to being a mum of two, I knew that I didn't want to be on the road all the time. I wanted to grow a business that I could scale and finally live the life I'd always dreamed about. So I started an online business. But what do I sell? What niche do I find myself in? Trying to work this out and constantly knackered, drained and depleted from having two young children and feeling insanely isolated and lonely and constantly worrying about where money was going to come from, I decided to host a summit, the Pregnant CEO Summit, a 3-day virtual event to help pregnant and soon-to-be self-employed mums navigate the absolute minefield of a mindfuck, securing your own maternity leave. Because I was living it, but I didn't know where to begin. So I came up with the 4 main criteria to getting an event like this online. I needed a sales page that looked legit and had a great user experience. I needed to take payments easily and offer upsells in a really smart way. I needed it to run through automations and onboarding new customers to make the customer experience top-notch. I needed to split my payments with affiliates and pay them without losing a heap in bank fees. This was key, as without a smooth process here, I wouldn't have an event, as I relied on the contributors having a smooth experience so that they had an incentive to keep pumping it out to their audience. So I went to Google, of course, and I found Thrivecart. Let's talk about problem number 1, the sales page. Now, I don't know jack shit about building websites, so I wanted a platform that was drag and drop. Thrivecart's landing page templates are fine, but what I love is that you can buy Thrivecart templates from designers on a third-party marketplace like Creative Market. I don't need to code, I don't need to be a tech guy, so a massive big tick there. So I was really happy with my sales page. It looked totally legit, so on to the next problem. Problem number 2, taking payments. I think this is one of Thrivecart's best features. The checkout page is awesome. Again, pretty drag and drop. The real benefit here is being able to add options or upsells to a product. You can set up one-time payments or reoccurring payments for memberships. I added Stripe as my payment processor and bingo, I was good to go. Problem number 3, onboarding. Thrivecart calls this fulfillment. A download, a membership, another website, there's a few options here. For my online summit, it was sending them to another website. Problem number 4, affiliate payments. I mentioned that a big part of launching my summit, the Pregnant CEO, was partnering with other female entrepreneurs. They would share the summit with their audience in return for a 50% commission on any upsells that we sold as a part of the summit. But with 30 contributors, that's a lot of people and code to track. This was super important to get right. I'm not a math person. There's probably only one thing I can do on a calculator. Thrivecart lets you set up rules and commission amounts for your products. It's done automatically, so when it was time to pay up, once the affiliate has linked their PayPal to Thrivecart, it's done automatically. So Thrivecart was the choice for me. After a good few days and nights, I was ready to launch. It might not have been like the movies where I sit back and watch the numbers roll in, but having the whole process set up and working flawlessly is a pretty big deal. Do I still use Thrivecart? Absolutely. I run multiple tiered memberships, delivering live trainings, summits, digital downloads, and templates, and all of them use Thrivecart as my checkout page. They've really stepped up the game with their landing page designs and templates and have features that are far beyond what I need, but are there if I ever scale up massively. So who is Thrivecart for? People in my situation, people building their own digital courses or memberships, online events, or lead magnets. If you've got no idea when it comes to web design or the concept of selling digital products and creating upsells, or you want to start a joint venture or affiliate program structure, then this is the best service for you. If you liked this review and you're jumping into Thrivecart, then please consider using my own affiliate code with them. It goes a long way to helping make these videos. The link is in the description below. If you have any questions about Thrivecart, make sure you drop them below. I'm not an expert, but I will do my best to help you any way I can, even if it's just a quick Google for you on the side. I hope you've enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.